Yo, what up guys, Miggy here. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading you any videos. I just finished like a whole heap of assignments and it was really annoying. So connected to this video will be a tin opening for you guys. I'll promise to keep more videos uploaded considering I just finished by a bunch of assignments. So stay tuned for more videos. Me, Collector One guys, I'm out. Please enjoy the video. Peace.
Are you filming? Yep. How do you know that I'm filming?
Shut up. Drink. Yeah, more drink.
Even that last ball.
Look at this. That's the last one. Oh yeah, 2 extreme victory. Yes. No hollow.
You have a 0% chance of getting through that. Yay.
Imagine if I crack it.
What a duality!
Now pass my duality.
Gaia! Ooh, Christia.
Yay.
That's
Do you need
yours,
Christia?
yay. Oh god. Huh?
Do you need Christia?
No.
Do I have
Trade.
her? Yeah. Do you need duality?
Yes.
You do?
I'm getting more. Striker, yay!
You sure you don't? You need duality?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay then. Okay.
There must be a hollow in this pack or else I just got it. Oh yeah, there is. I think.
Yay.
Because Psychics got hit.
They did. Psychics are gay.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What'd you get? Odin.
That
You got
sucks.
an ultimate. Anything else?
Terrible balls.
Nope.
Did you even record it?
Yeah.
Did you record it?